I'm Tracy Townsend, an account manager with Connie, Connecticut's Health Information Exchange. Today, I'll demonstrate how to upload a patient panel using the panel processor. Log into the Connie portal, then click on the Panel Processor app. First, you will select the template and panel you want to upload. For the template selection, choose ENS Patient Panel. You should have received the template from your account manager, but if you need to download it again, go back to Template Selection and click Download Template. For panel selection, choose the panel name. There will probably be only one name listed unless you upload panels for multiple organizations. Then click Next or click on To Upload File. Click in the box to locate the file on your computer, or you can drag and drop the file into the upload box. Then click Submit. After you click Submit, you'll see there's a number of different processing steps. First, the file will be scanned for viruses. Then the file will go through initial validation. So it's looking for things like making sure all the required fields are present and in the correct format. If the upload fails, go to the Upload History tab and click on the file. A summary box will pop up. At the bottom of the box, you'll see an explanation of the error, so you can correct your file and re-upload it. For example, in this file, there was an error in row 4, and it was missing the required address field. The number of rows that passed or failed will be populated after the file is uploaded, and our technical team does the final validation. You'll be contacted if there's a problem with your file after final validation. Connie recommends uploading a new panel file each month. Keep in mind that panels expire after 90 days. If you need assistance, please contact your Connie account manager.